Hello, my name is Monica Pitts, and I'm with Make Create Design. And right now I'm hanging out in Canva, and I'm also hanging out in my basement. But I wanted to share with you this Canva hack to be able to get your numbered lists or bullets to line up correctly. So the first thing is that it's easiest to line things up correctly if you're using line height to separate your text appropriately, because then your text is all going to be exactly the way it should be because it's measured out. So you can find that in here. You can adjust the line height, down to obviously the decimal point, and it works pretty good, right? So, but sometimes you get in here and you're like, man, I just can't get this guy to be just exactly right. I just can't do it. And it's usually this third guy that gives me trouble. See, because these first two seem like they're okay. The other thing that's really cool is that you can show rulers and guides. Did you know that? Okay, so these seem like they're okay, but then when I come down here, it's not okay, is it? But it seems to think that's where it's supposed to be. And I can't just like click it into place. It's not really where I want it to be still. Okay, so I would use my guide. Ooh, actually that one did pretty good. And I make sure it's just where I want it to be. Is this one just where I want it to be? No, see, that one's a little bit high. All right, so this guy's gonna move out of the way. I'm gonna go, gotta move him even further. Get down here, guide. Okay, so that's really, really close. And see how it just wants to like snap to the grid? Okay, so now I can take these three boogers right here and I can tidy them up and it will put it right where you want it to be. Pretty fancy, huh? The other thing that I have found, but see, I think I'm gonna have to go in and like adjust this a little bit more too, because now it's a little, anyway, so the other thing that I found that works really, really well is if I zoom in closer, it gives me just a little bit more control over what's going on with my screen. So the zooming in is a really powerful monster there. So here we go. Now I'm zoomed in and I can get it right where I want for this one. And then hopefully if I do these guys again and I tidy them up, my two moved up just a little bit and I can check it. Yes. Okay, they're all exactly where I want them to be. Yay. Okay, so there you go. That's your hack. You've got all kinds of ways to do it now. You can tidy them up. You can use your guides. You can zoom in. You're going to be able to get these bullet points just right. I know it.